Life can be pretty hectic sometimes, right? Well, Buddhism has some ancient wisdom that can help us out. It's called mindfulness. It's not just a thing you do. It's a whole way of living. It's about really paying attention to each moment and making the most of it. Lesson 1. Be present. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. But being present means fully experiencing the here and now, without letting those distractions take over. Imagine you're watching your favorite movie. When you're really into it, you're not thinking about what happened before or what's going to happen next. You're completely absorbed in the story unfolding in front of you. Being present in life is like that, fully immersing yourself in the present moment. Here's how to practice being present. Slow down. Take a moment to pause and breathe. Notice what's happening around you without rushing. Use your senses. Pay attention to what you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Engage your senses to bring yourself into the present moment. Let go of distractions. When your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the present. Focus on what you're doing right now, whether it's washing dishes or talking to a friend. Being present isn't always easy, but the more you practice, the more you'll find peace and joy in the simple moments of life. Lesson 2. Breath awareness. Your breath is like a built-in anchor that you can always come back to when you need to center yourself. In Buddhism, paying attention to your breath is a powerful way to calm your mind and connect with the present moment. Think about it like this. When you're stressed or anxious, your breath might be shallow and rapid. But when you take slow, deep breaths, it signals to your body that everything is okay, and you start to feel more relaxed. Here's how to practice breath awareness. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position where you can breathe easily. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Closing your eyes can help you focus on your breath without distractions. Notice your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or the movement of your abdomen. Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly contract. Repeat. Continue to focus on your breath for a few minutes, letting go of any thoughts or worries that come up. Practicing breath awareness can help you feel more centered and grounded, no matter what life throws your way. Lesson 3. Mindful eating. How often do we rush through meals, barely tasting our food as we eat on the go? Mindful eating is about slowing down and savoring each bite, truly appreciating the nourishment that food provides. Imagine you're at your favorite restaurant, about to take a bite of your favorite dish. Instead of mindlessly scarfing it down, take a moment to really experience it. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors. Is it crunchy or creamy, sweet or savory? Practice mindful eating like this. Slow down. Before you take your first bite, pause for a moment and take a few deep breaths. Use all your senses. Look at your food and notice its appearance and colors. Smell it to awaken your senses. Take a small bite and chew slowly, paying attention to the taste and texture. Appreciate where your food comes from. Think about the journey your food took to get to your plate, from the farmers who grew it to the hands that prepared it. Be grateful. Take a moment to express gratitude for the nourishment your food provides and for the earth's abundance. By practicing mindful eating, you can develop a healthier relationship with food and cultivate gratitude for the simple pleasure of a good meal. Lesson 4. Walking meditation. Walking is something we do every day, but how often do we do it mindfully? In Buddhism, walking can be a form of meditation, a way to quiet the mind and connect with the present moment. Imagine you're taking a leisurely stroll in nature. Instead of letting your mind wander, you're fully focused on each step, feeling the ground beneath your feet and the rhythm of your breath. Here's how to practice walking meditation. Find a quiet place to walk. It could be a park, a garden, or even just around your neighborhood. Start walking slowly. Pay attention to each movement of your body as you lift your foot, move it forward, and place it back down. Focus on your breath. Coordinate your breath with your steps, inhaling as you lift your foot and exhaling as you place it down. Notice your surroundings. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Notice the beauty of nature or the hustle and bustle of city life. Stay present. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath and the sensation of walking. Walking meditation can help you clear your mind, reduce stress, and find peace in the present moment, no matter where you are. Lesson 5. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is like a superpower. It can transform how you see the world and bring more joy into your life. In Buddhism, practicing gratitude is a way to cultivate appreciation for the present moment and all the blessings in your life. Imagine waking up each morning and taking a moment to think about 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the sun shining through your window, the smell of freshly brewed coffee, or the sound of birds chirping outside. Here's how to practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be anything, big or small. Say thank you. Express gratitude to the people in your life who make a difference, whether it's a friend who listens to you or a family member who cooks you dinner. Notice the little things. Pay attention to the small moments of joy and beauty that often go unnoticed, like a rainbow after a storm or a smile from a stranger. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have and appreciate the abundance in your life. Practicing gratitude can shift your perspective and help you find happiness in the present moment, no matter what challenges you may face. Lesson 6. Mindful listening. In a world filled with distractions, truly listening to others is a rare gift. Mindful listening, inspired by Buddhism, is a practice that deepens our connections with others and helps us understand their experiences. Imagine you're having a conversation with a friend. Instead of thinking about what you're going to say next or checking your phone, you're fully present, giving them your undivided attention. Practice mindful listening this way. Focus on the speaker. Look them in the eye and give them your full attention. Put away any distractions, like your phone or computer. Listen without judgment. Suspend your judgments and assumptions, and truly try to understand the speaker's perspective. Reflect back what you hear. Repeat back what the speaker is saying in your own words to ensure you understand them correctly. Notice nonverbal cues. Pay attention to the speaker's body language and tone of voice, as these can convey important messages. Be patient. Give the speaker space to express themselves fully without interrupting or rushing them. Mindful listening can deepen your relationships, enhance your communication skills, and bring more empathy and understanding into your interactions with others. Lesson 7. Letting go. Holding on to grudges, regrets, or attachments can weigh us down and prevent us from fully embracing the present moment. In Buddhism, letting go is about accepting impermanence and finding peace in the ever-changing nature of life. Imagine you're holding onto a bunch of balloons. As you release them into the sky, you feel lighter and freer, unburdened by the weight of your attachments. Here's how to practice letting go. Accept impermanence. Recognize that everything in life is temporary, the good times and the bad. By letting go of attachments, you can find peace in the present moment. Release expectations. Instead of clinging to how you think things should be, accept them as they are and embrace the opportunities they present. Forgive yourself and others. Holding on to grudges or regrets only brings suffering. By forgiving yourself and others, you can let go of the past and move forward with a lighter heart. Practice non-attachment. Cultivate a sense of detachment from material possessions, status, and outcomes. Focus on what truly matters: love, connection, and inner peace. Letting go isn't always easy, but it's a powerful practice that can lead to greater freedom and happiness in your life. Lesson 8. Loving kindness. Meditation. Love and compassion are at the heart of Buddhist teachings, and loving kindness meditation is a practice that extends these qualities to ourselves and others. Imagine you're sending out rays of sunshine to everyone around you, spreading warmth and happiness wherever they go. Here's how to practice loving kindness meditation. Start with yourself. Close your eyes and picture yourself happy and healthy. Repeat phrases like, "May I be happy," or "May I be at peace" to yourself. Extend to others. Think of someone you love, like a family member or friend. Repeat the same phrases for them, wishing them happiness and peace. Include everyone. Expand your circle of compassion to include acquaintances, strangers, and even people you have difficulties with. Wish them all happiness and peace. Send out love to the world. Finally, imagine sending love and kindness to all beings everywhere, regardless of who they are or where they come from. Loving kindness meditation can cultivate feelings of love, compassion, and connection, both towards yourself and others. Lesson 9. Mindful technology use. In today's digital world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant stream of notifications and distractions. But by approaching technology use with mindfulness, we can find balance and reclaim our attention. Imagine using your phone or computer as a tool for connection and growth, rather than as a source of stress or distraction. Here's how to practice mindful technology use. Set intentions. Before using technology, take a moment to set clear intentions for how you want to use it. Are you checking your email to stay informed, or are you mindlessly scrolling through social media? Take breaks. Schedule regular breaks from technology to give your mind a chance to rest and recharge. Go for a walk, spend time in nature, or engage in a hobby you enjoy. Limit distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications and create boundaries around when and where you use technology. Designate tech-free zones in your home, like the dinner table or bedroom. Be present. When using technology, try to stay present and focused on the task at hand. Notice when you start to feel overwhelmed or distracted, and take steps to bring yourself back to the present moment. By practicing mindful technology use, you can harness the benefits of technology while minimizing its negative impacts on your well-being. Now that you've learned these valuable lessons in mindfulness, why not put them into practice? Take a moment to reflect on how you can incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living mindfully. Let's spread the wisdom of mindfulness together.